Dear fathers, brothers, and friends, I wish you all a happy feast of St. Joseph, and I greet you a fruitful Marian month in the month of May. On behalf of everyone here, I greet our beloved brothers, dear brothers, Jaman, Joseph, Anil, Dhiran, Deva, Lolchand, Elthriya, and Pradeep. On behalf of Father General, on behalf of Christ Jyoti Province, joined with the Provincial Council, I congratulate you as you made your first profession, making an initial and first step to begin a religious life in the congregation of the Blessed Sacrament. Yes, we are caught up in the lockdown. We are facing this greatest danger of this virus, COVID-19. In this situation, your first profession should give a meaningful message. It is a day of joy. It's a day to cherish and a day to thank the Father. It's a day of joy. All those who decide to climb the mountain don't make it till the end. Some give up early, few return off the way, and still others have a fall, a sickness, and with a feeling of despair, they just before the last lap say no to the mountain. It is only a handful who learned to be steady, and those who withstood, they reached the top. Today you claim the first mountain. If you look back in last 2 years, what you have been going through, you reached. Now you have many more mountains to climb. Yes, you are beginning now. You remember all that you have explored in your past 2 years of novitiate and continue to practice in the coming years. One day you will reach the mountain of final commitment. It is possible with God, with your hard work. It is in your hands. It is in the hands of the humanity today to believe that we will come out of this COVID-19. So it is in your hands. Second is a day to cherish. Your first school day is a memory. Your first college day is a story. But your profession day is a history. It's a day of history for you and for the congregation. Keep this history as a treasure so that you will cherish at every milestone you achieve in the coming years of your formation. Third, it's a day to thank the Lord. We thank the Almighty for you. We thank your beloved parents for sending you, offering you. We thank all the formators who have been part of your formation for the last many years in Nalgonda and Chennai. In particular, I thank Father Peter Fernandez, Novice Master, and Father Rajesh, Assistant Novice Master, for accompanying, shaping, and making you what you are today. Don't ever forget them. I conclude my message for you, dear brothers, with a saying of St. Peter Julian, which I written in the approval letter for you. What a joy that you can receive Holy Communion often. It is our life and support in this life. People have not been to Eucharist for the last 1.5 months. Many have spiritual communion through live streaming. They really miss Eucharist. Yes, post-corona, post-COVID-19 will be a challenge for us to invite people to participate directly, personally. But you will be privileged to receive the Eucharistic Lord daily in the Scholasticate. It should not become a routine ritual or as part of daily schedule. Rather, that is a joyous moment of support for you for a daily life. Eucharistic altar is the starting point, it's a source, it's a sustenance of your life ahead. All the best. Congratulations. I thank all the friends who continue to sponsor, who continue to reach out to us with generous heart. I thank brothers Amyo, Nelson and Leo for making all the arrangements. Thank you, fathers. Thank you, brothers. All the best.